I'm Lucy and welcome to Beauty Leaks, your favorite source of beauty news. This is the last episode in this year, but don't worry, we'll be back in 2020 with more news. And if you have any ideas what we can do to improve, let us know in the comments down below. Maybe you want more drugstore brands, or maybe you want the screen to be bigger. Let us know and Jerry will take care of it. To celebrate New Year and Chinese New Year, today we'll cover limited edition releases from 20 brands. If you're not aware, in Chinese culture, New Year or Lunar New Year is as important as Christmas in Western culture, and it's an occasion for lavish gifting, just like Christmas. So it's not surprised that brands want to cash in on it as well. Some will release new products and some will be lazy and will just release existing products in limited edition red packaging. By the way, red in Chinese culture is a symbol of joy, happiness and prosperity. That's why if you are giving someone money, they should be in the red envelope. Well, if you want to give me money, it can be whatever color of envelope you want, or you can just transfer it. Year 2020 will be the year of the rat, and in Chinese zodiac, rat is considered to be animal with spirit, vitality, flexibility, and also fertility. So if you wanna get pregnant, this is your year. That was a long introduction, let's dig into the products. And first on our list is Too Faced Multi-Use Diamond Fire Highlighter for $36. In red packaging with little rat, you will find multicolored prismatic highlighter infused with diamond powder and light reflecting pearls. It is hand poured, so every highlighter is one of the kind, is buildable, and it will give you a diamond glow on face, eyes and body. Speaking of highlighters, Becca is relaunching its existing shade, Moonstone. It's a shimmering skin perfector press highlighter in limited edition Year of the Rat packaging, available for $39. Another highlighter on the list is from Clinique. It's limited edition Cheek Pop Highlighter Gold Celebration for $30. It's made in Italy and it doesn't contain paraben or fragrance. Hourglass is celebrating Lunar New Year with number 28 lip treatment oil in an exclusive shade All Night for $49. It's a glossy oil anti-aging lip treatment formulated with essential oils, vitamins and 3 powerful active ingredients. 24-karat plated gold applicator would deliver a flash of healthy color. Pat McGrath, after huge success of Mothership 7 Divine Rose, is launching her smallest sister, Golden Opulence. In red glitter and gold packaging, you'll find 6 shades of nudie pinks with pop of gold. If you want to see my review of this palette, link's gonna be in the description box down below. If one product is not enough to rock your Lunar New Year world, MAC is launching the whole collection, and it's a little different approach as well. The packaging is not red and rats are not involved. It's inspired by colorful Chinese art. Lunar Illusion consists of Now and Zen 9-pan eyeshadow palette, Dynastic Fantastic Powder Blush Compact, Dragon Motif Highlighter, and Lunar New Year lipsticks and lip glosses. Guerlain is not sleeping on the rat here either. Brand launched limited edition Guerlain Lunar New Year Meteorites Illuminating Powder Pearls for $64. Gorgeous sparkly red lipstick case. Abeille Royale Youth Watery Anti-Aging Oil for $135. And the Cologne Imperiale. And it comes with no surprise that Colourpop has a Chinese New Year collection as well. And I know I said no more Colourpop, but this time I'm willing to make exception. And the collection is fairly small for Colourpop. It contains of Lucky You Super Shock Cheek Duo, Good Fortune Luxe Liquid Lipstick Trio, and White Tea Face Milk Moisturizer, and pictures via Trend Mood. Makeup Forever also wants to bring good fortune into New Year with limited edition products in 2 of the most significant colors in Chinese culture, red for luck and celebration and gold for wealth and fortune. The collection includes Ultra HD Loose Powder, Powder Kabuki Brush and 2 artist-faced color refillable makeup palettes in L and XL size. If you don't have any idea what the person you wanna gift likes, you can choose Look Fantastic Chinese New Year limited edition beauty box for £85. It contains 10 products like Ilamasca lipstick, Emma Hardy Marunga cleansing balm or Elemis Pro Collagen Advanced Eye Treatment. And Royale also has a box for you. Chinese New Year gift set is a collection of iconic dragon blood products. NARS Lunar New Year collection we already covered in Beauty Leaks number 6, but we will mention it very briefly. It contains of Singapore eyeshadow quad, light reflecting setting powder, afterglow lip balm in the shade Orgasm and Nights of China, aquatic gold cushion compact and natural radiant longwear cushion foundation. Chanel, brand loved by Chinese customer, will celebrate Year of the Rat with limited edition Rouge Allure Velvet Lipstick Trio. Lancome is playing safe this year. They will release the award-winning Advanced Genifique Serum in limited edition bottle, packed in red luxurious satin case. While we are on the subject of skincare, Charlotte Tilbury is giving us her iconic Magic Cream in limited edition red jar, 50 ml for £75. And there's also a rumor that she will release limited edition lipstick. Speaking of things that we know will happen but there are no pictures out yet, Urban Decay will launch Chinese New Year collection as well, and so far we have only picture of setting spray. Laura Mercier is another brand that wants to play safe. She is launching iconic translucent setting powder and Rouge Essential lipstick in limited edition red packaging. Powder is a set for luck with a puff. Kiehl's has 2 products in limited edition packaging: Calendula Herbal Extract Alcohol-Free Toner and Ultra Facial Cream. Calvin Klein launched its best-selling fragrance CK1 in red bottle with a rat face. It's $93 for 100 ml. And lastly, Givenchy is releasing Prisma Lip and Rouge lipstick in shade 316. And you guessed this, it's in limited edition red packaging. That's all the beauty news for today. On behalf of the whole Beauty Leaks team, I want to wish you all the amazing things in 2020. I would invite the whole team here in front of camera to wish you all the best, but their faces are more radio appropriate. Remember, if you cannot love yourself, how the heck you gonna love somebody else? And that was a quote from RuPaul. RuPaul, we love you, don't sue us. We are broke already. See you soon.